Hey there, dye cleaning enthusiasts! Are you ready to revolutionize the way you clean your toilet brush? Well, get excited because today I'm unveiling a game-changing hack that involves an unexpected bathroom hero, shaving foam. Yes, you heard me right. Shaving foam isn't just for the men face. It's about to become your toilet brush's new best friend. Stick around and I'll show you why you absolutely need to give this a try. Let's face it, folks. While we're experts at keeping our toilets spick and span, there's one often neglected area. The toilet brush itself. Think about it. After every use, it goes back into its holder, harboring all that nasty bacteria and grime. But fear not, because I have the ultimate solution starring none other than our trusty sidekick, shaving foam. Shaving foam might just be the unsung hero of cleaning. Not only is it a dirt-busting powerhouse, but its secret ingredients also take on those sneaky bacteria. Here's how it's done. Generously coat the bristles of your toilet brush with shaving foam. Make sure to get into every nook and cranny for maximum effect. And now, on to the fun part. Gently agitate the brush back and forth in the toilet bowl. This spreads the foam and ensures that every single bristle is treated to a luxurious clean. Instead of dunking or holding the brush, place it under the toilet lid. This prevents excess foam from creating a soggy mess in your brush holder. Remember, folks, even distribution is the name of the game. Keep turning the brush until it's coated evenly in shaving foam goodness. Now let the magic marinate. Leave the shaving foam to work its wonders for the next 30 minutes. Time's up. Grab that toilet brush and let's get to work. Give your toilet bowl a thorough scrub. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the foam tackles the grime. Not only is your toilet brush getting pampered, but your toilet bowl is enjoying a spa day too. Once you've worked your magic, give it a final flush and presto, a cleaner toilet and a rejuvenated brush. But hold on, there's a bonus trick coming your way. Hang your toilet brush under the toilet lid. This nifty trick lets any excess water or foam drip off, leaving your brush dry and ready for its next mission. And there you have it, the ultimate toilet brush cleaning hack using shaving foam. Your bathroom will thank you, and your toilet brush will never be the same again. If you found this tip as game-changing as I did, give that like button a friendly tap, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more fantastic cleaning tips. Thank you for your watching and see you in the next video. Happy cleaning!